Hello friends, welcome to Vvsm Academy. Excellent coaching classes for IAS, KS, Sslc, Vvsm Academy, School of Arts and Science, Veerabhadra Demaya Gopanhalli. Contact 9663828848. Well friends, we are dealing with the study of human heart in the last class in the days of Corona, COVID-19. Be cautious, wear masks, keep social distance, and you have to be careful during your day-to-day life in the Corona days. So I am welcoming you to the second part of the study of heart, human heart. In this class, what are we learning in circulation of blood? How the heart pumps blood through the body, how blood cells get from one part of the body to another, why pathways for blood need to be in parallel rather than in series, and so on and so forth during our studies. Circulation of blood, human heart. Do you know, my dear friends, heart is an extraordinary organ, a strong organ, which is having a wonderful structure, and it acts like two pumps. Our heart is not a single pump, it has two pumps. It really in two separate pumps. For your kind information, blood from the right side does not mix with the blood from the left side. That means the whole human heart is divided into two important halves, the left and the right halves. The right part of the human body, that is right part of the human heart, and the left part of the human heart. One side receives low oxygen blood from veins and then sends it to the lungs to get oxygen. Other side receives oxygenated blood and sends it out through arteries to the rest of the body. Also, why is the left side of this picture labeled right and vice versa? Because the medical diagrams are drawn from doctor's point of view and the patient point of view also. If the doctor is there, there should be a patient, my dear friends. If the patient is not there, a doctor will not do anything. Patient is very, very essential for the function of a doctor. So, have patience. This is the reason to my class. Okay. Imagine that you are looking at a patient lying down on the table. Your left is the patient's right side. Well, anatomy of the human heart. You observe the left side, that is the right side of your side, is the human heart, the hollow muscular organ. You know, my dear friends, human heart is a wonderful organ and a strong organ in the human body. It has a hollow muscular organ lying in the center of the chest, which is the thoracic region. The whole human body, the chest cavity, inside the chest cavity, around the chest ribs, the skeleton ribs, and the skeleton, and with that thoracic region, it is safely located between the two lungs, my dear friends. Divided into left and right sides, each have upper chambers, atrium that collects blood, and a lower chamber, ventricle, that ejects blood. Inlet and outlet valves in each ventricle ensures one-way blood flow. So what is the circulatory system? The circulatory system carries blood and dissolved substances, hormones, nutrients, oxygen, and waste products to the from different places of the body. You know, my dear friends, what we are taking a balanced diet or a food consists of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, hormones, nutrients, and oxygen using your respiratory system and all. So therefore the heart has the job of pumping these things around the body. The heart pumps blood and substances around the body in tubes called blood vessels. The heart, the blood, and the blood vessels, blood veins together make up the circulatory system of human blood. This was discovered by the great scientist William Harvey. As I told you, William Harvey is a great scientist who is responsible for the discovery of circulatory system of blood in the human body. That means as a central organ, which is heart, human heart. Well, this is control and coordination of human heart circulation of blood consists of two types of blood circulation, that is within the heart and outside the heart. Within the heart further divided into pulmonary and the systemic circulation. Outside the heart, which is portal, which is related to the without the participation of the heart. Other systems are also there. Blood circulates in the body outside the heart, which is called portal circulation of blood. Well, let us discuss about the within the heart, what will happen. Pulmonary and systemic. Let us discuss about the pulmonary and systemic. The deoxygenated blood shoots down from the right atrium to the right ventricle. The heart then pumps it out to the right ventricle and into the pulmonary arteries and begin pulmonary circulation. That is called pulmonary circulation. You see here, the pulmonary circulation is taking place. And the second one is the heart pumps oxygenated blood out of the left ventricle and into the aorta to begin systemic circulation. After the blood has supplied cells throughout the body with oxygen and nutrients, it returns the oxygenated blood to the right atrium of the heart. The wonderful circulation of blood. Now let us discuss about the pulmonary circuit. What is pulmonary circuit? Pulmonary circuit consists of right pulmonary veins, right atrium, right ventricle, heart muscle, etc. Left pulmonary artery, left pulmonary veins, left atrium, and left ventricle. These are the important internal organs of the heart during the pulmonary circulation or pulmonary circulatory system. The deoxygenated blood shoots down from the right atrium to the right ventricle. The heart then pumps it out of the right ventricle and into the pulmonary arteries to begin pulmonary circulation. This is important during the pulmonary circulation. The normal blood flow through the heart valves are taking place, my dear friends. Now, you see the things which are going normal blood flow through the heart valves, it enters. I told you it is the two pumps are there, two pumps, that is two separate pumps without mixing each other. That is the wonder of your human heart. These two lines are there, they are running in parallel. So they are running in parallel, my dear friends. That is pulmonary and systemic, they are running in parallel. So therefore, the human blood flow through the heart valves in the right atrium and right ventricle. Now you see, this is the normal blood flow through the heart. Blue mark indicates it is lungs. From the lungs it will go left atrium, and from that left atrium, the left ventricle, and it will go to the human body like this. The oxygenated and deoxygenated blood will never mix each other, my dear friends. What is the use of purification of blood then? If it mixes each other during the human organ, that is human heart, they are not at all mixing each other. They are separate pumps, separate machinery valves. They are never mingles or never mix each other. Oxygenated blood is different, deoxygenated blood is different. Then how it will run, oxygenated blood is nothing but pure blood. Deoxygenated blood is nothing but impure blood. So during the purification, it is a factory, it is a purifier. Blood, heart is a purifier for your kind information. The important thing is that lungs will help like anything during the circulatory system of blood, my dear friends. Lungs. Let us discuss about the internal respiration and external respiration. Systemic circuit. The systemic circuit, where the system circuit, it will enters into the heart. Blood vessels is the systemic loop. It is systemic circulation or systemic loop. Oxygenated blood, it is nothing but pure blood, is pumped from the left ventricle of the heart through the aorta, the largest artery in the body. Aorta is the largest artery in the body. The blood moves from the aorta through the systemic arteries, then to the arterioles and capillary beds that supply body tissues. So blood vessels, that is artery, that is indicated by the red color, that is red in color, carry oxygen rich blood from the left side of the heart and tissues and organs. After oxygen leaves the blood and moves into the tissues, the level of oxygen in the blood becomes low. Now this is next the blood veins. It is in blue color. This blue color indicates carry blood with this low level of oxygen, that is impure blood, back to the right side of the heart. Blood from the veins. The blue indicates what is that? Impure blood, and the red indicates it is a pure blood, that is oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood is indicated by red in color, and deoxygenated blood is indicated by the blue in color. Differentiate between pure and impure blood, my dear friends. Thank you for listening. Like, share, subscribe. It is the class from Vvsm Academy, School of Arts and Science. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya Gopnalli. Contact 9663828428 for next class. You let us wait. You wait for the next forthcoming classes. Don't forget to put your bell icon and press the bell icon. Subscribe. Thank you.